Google Chrome extension and remove tutorial. In this video, I can show you how to Google Chrome extension install and remove fully. Okay, let's start now. At first, open your browser, then click in this area. Now go More Tools, select here Extension. Now find here, click, then go Chrome Web Store. See my mouse cursor. If you see this video, now I can type a VPN I wanted to add extension. Browse it. Enter. Type your extension name here. Then I can use this VPN. I want to add this VPN. I want to add this extension in my Google Chrome. Now click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. Here you see this logo. After few seconds, here you see the extension adding to Chrome in the process line. When it complete, this extension added in my Chrome browser. Wait a few seconds. When it complete, here you see in this area the extension is added in my Google Chrome. Here you see. Here you see if this Chrome is not added in my area. Here you see activate the browser. This is rated button because if you are when you add your browser, here you another option. If add to Chrome is this button here, that's mean this extension is not added your browser. Okay, here you see this is the process how you can add any extension your browser Google Chrome. Now I can now I wanted to show you how to remove the extension. I can remove all of my pages. Here you see this is the extension. Now I want to delete the extension. How to delete the extension? Just click here, then sorry right button, click here, then remove from Chrome, click the button. Then if you click this remove button, the extension will be deleted in right now. Now I can click remove button. Here you see the extension going to be removed. Here is a some mark point. This is not necessary for me. I can disconnect here. This is the process how you can use, how to install any extension in your Google Chrome browser, and how to remove extension in your Google Chrome browser. This is the process, my friend. If you think this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and also like my video. Thank you so much.